Connecting Stripe to QuickBooks Online allows your payment data to sync automatically, reducing manual entry. This integration is done through a third-party connector app available in the QuickBooks App Store. What the process does: once connected, Stripe transactions such as sales, refunds, payouts, adjustments, and fees are imported directly into QuickBooks. The app can also sync customer and product details, helping keep your books up to date and accurate. Step 1. Access integrations in QuickBooks. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account. On the dashboard, click the plug icon or look for the Integrations menu in the top right corner. Select Find Integrations from the menu. Step 2. Search for a Stripe connector. In the search bar, type Stripe or Stripe connector. A list of compatible apps will appear. Select the integration you want to use, such as Stripe Connector by QuickBooks. Click Get Integration Now or Get App Now to begin the installation. Step 3. Connect your Stripe account. Follow the on-screen instructions. You will be prompted to sign in to your Stripe account using your credentials. Review the permissions requested by the integration, then select Authorize or Agree and connect to approve the data exchange. Step 4. Complete setup and configure settings. Continue following the prompts to complete the connection. During setup, you can adjust settings including Stripe Deposit Account, the bank account where Stripe deposits your payouts. Start date. Choose how far back to import historical transactions up to 2 years. Customer and product tracking. These settings help match Stripe data with existing records in QuickBooks. Once the connection is established, your Stripe transactions will sync automatically. You can manage and review imported entries under the Integration Transactions or App Transactions page in QuickBooks. Limitation. This method requires a third-party connector. There is no direct native Stripe QuickBooks Online integration. Different connector apps may have varying features and pricing. This setup is best suited for businesses that want to automate the reconciliation of Stripe payments without manually entering each transaction.